Hi YouTubers, here I am doing a video. Uh, the snowstorm, the last one I did promise you that I was gonna videotape the last blizzard of 2017, and this is it. This is the front of the house. It's still snowing though. See the snow? It's still snowing. Kids are out here playing with their sled, which they should. Have fun when I was a little kid myself. This is my porch. Those are my shoes. Oh wow. This is the front of the house. And I am going to go to the back of the house. And I don't know how long I'm going to be out here because it's very windy. Hold on 1 minute. We're going to the back of the house. I'm in the house now, going to the back. Holy cow. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh no, this is good. This is guys, that's my car. Oh my god. This is too funny. Oh yeah. Vaya. He's taking a picture. Because this might be the last storm. Look at this. Holy cow. Look at my feet. Look at that. No, I don't want to go too far. I'm going to get the shovel.
At least I can make a good snowball.
Yeah.
Told you it's still snowing.
Yeah, but they're plotting the driveway. They're smart. They're doing it before it gets frozen.
Look, I made a good snowball.
Yeah, hold on. Wow. That is a lot of snow. Look at my feet. You can't even see my shoes. I don't think you'd be able to slide, Eileen.
I already tried.
Maya.
I can't.
There were girls walking in the front of the house with sleds.
I know, I saw.
Look at this. Wow. Look at that. Oh my god.
Alright, I'm gonna go inside.
And it's still snowing. It hasn't even stopped yet. It's really bad. Still snowing. Woo! Wow, look at that wind. Oh, the wind makes it worse. That's bad. Yeah, we gotta dig it out. We gotta dig out my car. That's my car. That's Maya trying to clean it.
Hold on, I got an idea.
Oh, wow. Oh, God. Guys, I can't stand this cold too long. It's wet, it's really windy. I just want you guys to see the snowstorm and this wind. Oh, God, this wind is bad. Woo! It's a lazy day today. Lazy day.
Feel the stone? You know that stone?
It's my daughter Maya helping Mama clean her car. Lazy day. It's like pajamas and movie day. Making some homemade cookies, popcorn. Because we going to be stuck here for a few days. It's so funny how they just started plowing the streets, which is a good thing. Yay! All this snow. I called it and he was like, no more snow. I'm like, yeah, right. We're going to get a big storm in 2 weeks in March. Into March, and here we are. March, what's today? 14? Exactly 2 weeks. Today's the 14th, March 14th. That was my oldest who said that because the climate was changing, it was getting warmer, and she was like, oh, we're not going to get another snowstorm. I'm like, oh, yes, we are. By my window. Oh my God, this wind is unbearable. Yeah, we stuck in the house for 2 days, 3 days tops. Yep, this is how it is. Yep. Alright guys, I have to clean out my car. And my daughter's helping me because my hands are freezing. So, thank you for watching my video. If you're a new viewer, please subscribe and like my video. And thank you for watching my video, guys. God bless. And those who live up north, stay safe and warm. Bye now.